Witness the dawn of a new day, as the sun ignites the world with its golden embrace. The sun's gentle touch awakens the mountains, painting the landscape in hues of wonder. Amidst the symphony of nature, the bullfinch male shares its heart's melody, a conversation in its own joyful language. As the sun bids adieu, the horizon is painted in hues of dreams. Birds embrace the sky, their dance a graceful tribute to the fading light. Join us in celebrating these fleeting moments of nature's marvels.